Cheese. Cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Well, you want to show us your car that you got today?
Yeah.
What did you get?
Hot car.
Yeah, do you like it?
Cheese. It like this have bikes.
Yeah. What else does it have?
No wheels.
Mm-hmm.
I take wheels off.
Oh, you can change your rims?
Yeah.
Nice. What else? How many girls do you have in it?
Two.
Alright, Bean, show me how it goes. What happens when they go for a ride?
I'll take the rim.
You change the rim?
Take the other rim, okay?
Okay.